Without us knowing your pains and your problems, we can't come up with solutions. So that's what we're doing here. So, yep, John.
So now knowing how the system works, so how the back of the house is, no snail trails lead to the dumpster corral. Dumpster corral is same clean, and through going sense and no smelling all new trash runs are so much easier. If you were to go to another store, would you want one of these?
Yeah. Yeah. And James, how long have you been a manager the whole time that you've been in the McDonald's system? How many
I've
years?
been a general manager for since McCook 2021.
Okay.
So it's been a little while.
So about 5 years. That's awesome.
But I've been a manager for way before that. Like just a manager.
How many years total combined?
McDonald's was my first job at 16, and I worked my way out. So I've been here. I'm 28.
So 12 years working from, so you're one of the success stories at McDonald's we always like to talk about. And when I communicate to young employees, all you have to do is focus on the core things: cleanliness, understanding the processes and procedures for cooking great food, safe and everything, QSC, and the value. Do you see now how this kind of all encompasses? You've been in the McDonald's system. Is this a change agent that can help you run a better restaurant?
Absolutely. Yeah, a lot of it, and it also saves time when it's less expensive to have things down all the way around.
And you were saying something about earlier that we might not have caught, but how much is a pressure washing have done if the dumpster area and the corral, if you can't have your own team do it?
My taco crew, I actually paid the bill with my taco. So
Yeah.
they were 1,200 each time.
1,200 each time for a parking lot. And
Just the part.
a dumpster corral, which is normally the worst. Have you seen a dumpster corral where you could basically go sit on the ground in there?
Yeah.
And your employees haven't done anything? How much time do you think, give or take, how much time do you think that is saving just from not pressure washing and cleaning on your own team's time? What do you think?
You have to, go out there a couple of days to clean because it would smell
30 minutes, you think, per time? An hour?
an hour.
Okay. So 1 hour, maybe twice a week, 3 times a week. So there you go. We just trying to find the money hidden in your business and
The labor is something else now. It saves your money.
focused on the guests
Yes, sir.
and things that make sense, not and make pennies and cents at the same time.
Yeah,
Thank you. Appreciate you letting us talk trash to you,
Really? I
James,
appreciate you.
and John, letting him be your trash concierge. He's going to help you when you have a problem. And so thank you for your time, James. It's been a blessing meeting you. And it's really great to see that McDonald's can foster from a young age to being able to be a manager. And again, don't need a college education, but you're running a multi-million-dollar business. I forgot to ask you this one question. Do you know how many people in the United States ever have the opportunity to run over $1 million a year business? Do you think it's 1%, 3%, or 4.5%?
For this side?
One. You just joined the 1% club. You're in the 1% club. Exactly. This is when you look at Domino's and other restaurant chains, they're way under $1 million. They're $250,000, $750,000 in sales. You're running a multi-million-dollar business, and you got the focus, and now you've got your team, all with the tools that can make it even easier. Thank you, James. Appreciate it. You have a blessed day, my friend.